So right before the stock market crash of 1929, Joseph Kennedy Sr., who was JFK's father, he sold his stocks after a shoeshine boy tried to give him some stock tips. He took that as a sign of market exuberance, and he became insanely wealthy by shorting the market as it crashed throughout the Great Depression. Now, I'm not sure if this story is true or not, but we've all heard that Warren Buffett quote to be fearful when others are greedy. I've been seeing several reasons to be fearful these days. We have retail investors who bought in at the bottom of March 2020 thinking they're stock market geniuses. We have videos like this that reveal how to get rich with stocks.
And I know trading sounds intimidating. Here's my strategy in a nutshell. I see a stock going up and I buy it and I just watch it until it stops going up and then I sell it, and I do that over and over, and it pays for our whole lifestyle. If you're wondering how much you can make doing this, in this month I turned about 400 into 14,000, and in this month I turned less than 1,000 into 20,000.
But to be honest, stocks and real estate are so 2020 because the latest get rich quick buy now because it's going to the moon, time to pick out the color of my Lambo investment is cryptocurrencies. My shoeshine boy moment came a few days ago with my coworker, let's call him Kevin Stephan, proudly showing me his Shiba Inu coin he carries in his left shirt pocket and bragged how he turned $1,000 in SHIB into 12 grand. He's now a diehard believer, even wearing this exact SHIB army shirt under his work clothes like his crypto Clark Kent, and every time he sees me, he quotes me the latest Shiba Inu price and how many zeros are left before it reaches a penny. And before any crypto bulls get triggered because of my thumbnail or video title or what I've said or what I'm about to say, let me be crystal clear that I don't care what you invest in, and I'm honestly happy for Kevin Stephan for his crazy 1100% return. But what has me concerned is that Kevin had no prior interest in investing at all. Hell, I would even talk to him extensively about why he should open up a Roth IRA to become a tax-free millionaire, but he always had one excuse or another as to why he wouldn't be investing in the stock market. But now he's suddenly a crypto bull, telling me how many million Shiba Inu coins he's going to be buying with his next paycheck, and when I asked him why he's so convinced Shiba Inu will hit a penny, he said this: because Dogecoin went up like crazy, and because he missed that rocket ship, he joined the SHIB army to push it up to buy his Lamborghini. You call me an old-fashioned, boring stock market investor, but I feel like Joseph Kennedy Sr. surrounded by shoeshine boys, shouting into megaphones, claim they know the next 10x, 100x, or even 1000x crypto opportunities. It's not just YouTubers. Business news websites make things worse by releasing attention-grabbing articles and headlines like this about the Squid Game cryptocurrency, which led people to FOMO buy in, only to have the rug pulled out from under them and lose everything like this so-called investor. Because let's be clear, this isn't investing, it's speculation and gambling. And by the way, check out this wonderful real-time reaction of a streamer who witnessed the Squid Game crash.
$1.68 trillion. And now the mark, oh, it went to zero. And damn, there we go, Squid Games. Sayonara, mother. Oh, good Lord. Holy. You've seen it live, baby. You've seen it live.
I mean, you gotta love his reaction. But going back to Shiba Inu, I worry for Kevin Stephan and other investors who are now hooked on making easy money, leading them to find riskier plays to get that instant gratification. Now I can talk all I want about how my Airbnb position I started last December is currently up 30.06%, or how my Coinbase shares I bought a couple months ago are now up 36.67%. But these are boring, slow gains when you're hooked on a 74% jump on a single day. Kevin Stephan actually texted me this article telling me I was 0.09 cents yesterday but went up to 0.5 cents today before settling down to 0.3 cents. And here's the difference between a gambling investor and an investor. A get-rich-quick investor focuses on the 0.09 cent jumping to 0.5 cent, a 455% return. But I want you to focus on the risk. How does cryptocurrency crash from 0.5 cents to 0.3 cents, a 40% loss on a single day? And I mean, if you can handle that kind of volatility, that's perfectly fine, but don't fall for the latest hype crypto scam. That'll leave you holding the bag. I mean, even Shiba Inu fell 21% when the person who turned $8,000 into $5.7 billion when he moved the Shiba Inu coins to other wallets. But despite all that, Kevin Stephan is still going all in on his Dogecoin copycats. As for me, I'm going to stick to my boring stock portfolio that finished last month with a total balance of $46,873.85, a net gain of $4,505.71 in just 31 days. And sure, crypto investors experience a 10% move up and down every other second, but I'll happily take that gain any month of the year. Total deposit did jump to $33,235, bringing my portfolio's unrealized gain to $13,638.85, another record for my portfolio. And October's dividends was also a record high, coming in at $74.65, mostly from my 11 Vanguard sector ETFs. And like I explained in my last monthly update, I'm investing my weekly deposits right away, so I only had $1.77 uninvested, but with all these numbers, I can figure out my lifetime return, which is now at 41.04% since I started this M1 Finance portfolio, or an annualized return of 12.96%. At the current rate, I'll end up with a $1.8 million retirement portfolio without any additional deposits needed, but I'm going to keep up with my weekly deposits so I can buy more colorful Lambos than Kevin Stephan. And finally, my YouTube channel hit a historic milestone last month, passing the 1,000 subscriber mark on October 21st. I did finish October with 1,012 subscribers, which is just crazy to think about. And while I'm still 1,752 public watch hours away from collecting some of that sweet YouTube ad money, I want to thank each and every one of you for leaving me a comment, view, like, dislike, sub, and unsub. And if you made it this far into the video, I have to ask, why are you still watching? But if you're still not subscribed yet, maybe you should, because this channel is a transparent look into my investing journey, and I'll of course be revealing my monthly YouTube earnings when the dough starts rolling in. But with all that said, thanks for stopping by, consider your risk before investing, and I'll catch y'all next time with more financial shenanigans.